Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Today real quick, we want to show you the Tusk Aluminum Skid Plate for the KTM 50SX. This is going to be for bikes 2016 and newer. This bike, KTM Husqvarna GasGas, do not come with a skid plate. And for the little rippers nowadays, you got to have protection for the bottom of the bike. So with this skid plate, it's made from nice heavy duty aluminum, super lightweight, very easy to mount. So you actually just have two brackets that will come included. You have the rear bracket. Now, a little word of advice for you, when you're putting on this rear bracket, make sure that the screws are super loose when you go to put this on the bottom of the frame. And then after you have that on, you just take this front bracket, put it over the front frame rails, tighten down the bolts, you're good to go. So very simple to install. You do have a cutout right here so you can drain the oil without taking the skid plate off. But again, for the 50SX models, one of those little must-have accessories to protect it, aluminum skid plates. So to grab yours, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're bike specific, so just enter the year, make, and model of your 50 when you're picking yours up, and you'll get the correct fitment. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.